there we go.
We said what team
Bravo.
you're on, and you were just like, nah, not gonna tell them.
What team are you on?
Your team.
Oh, well, you're back in our team then.
Hang on, no, we're mine.
You're Bravo.
Come on, take me.
Bravo. Bravo. Bravo.
Railway.
Sorry, did I overshoot you? Apologies.
Bravo! Bravo!